Hello, so today we're going to look at using our TI Nspire Calculator to get ready for our data analysis quiz tomorrow. So first, when you turn on your calculator, it should look like this on the home screen with our different options here. What you'll do to start off is let's hit number 1. So we're going to select a new document, so I can do that by hitting 1 on my keypad. And if you have any data there, it's going to ask you if you want to save it. If you do, click yes. I'm not going to save the stuff I've already put in here, so we're going to click no. So when I do that, the new document's going to open up. It's going to ask me what type of sheet I want to look at, and right here we're going to always start with the list or spreadsheet. So we're going to start with this list or spreadsheet, and it's going to come up with this. It looks a lot like an Excel document. So for this video, we're going to use the data here from this homework, from the test review that we did today in class. So here's test scores. Let's look at number 4 for this one. So what I'll do is we can see here that there's 1 point at 33, 1 at 35, 1 at 38, and so on. So when I come back here to my calculator, I'm going to come up here and we're going to put in test, as that's what I'm going to call my column. So here we always name our column in this top row. The name has to have no spaces and it has to be letters. You can't put numbers or anything else up there. So now I'll start entering my data. So as I do this, I'm looking at my test or quiz review and I'm entering the data. Right here I have 3 46s because there's 3 dots over the 46. And so as I continue to do this, we'll correct that one. These are all actually supposed to be 52s there. Just make sure you double check your data as you do it. So there, now I have all my data entered. So once I have my data entered, okay, I have all the columns. In this one, you should have 16 different rows. Now I'm going to go back to my calculator and I'm going to hit Control Dock. And Control Dock will add a new page. If you want to see what's going to happen when I hit Control and then a button, you can see right here in the blue what's going to happen. So this Control Dock adds a new page. And right here, let's just try to make the dot plot. So when I have the dot plot, I'm going to go down and I can hit number 5 on my calculator. So number 5, add data and statistics, and there we see all my dots. Okay. If I click here on the bottom, so use my trackpad to scroll down, click add a variable, and I'm going to click on what I called that column, so test. And there's my dot plot. It should look exactly the same as what we have on the problem here in number 4. Excuse me. As we see here on the worksheet.